Hi friends! Welcome to Baby Animal Facts with Tuttie! Today we're going on the farm. Let's meet some of the cutest animals around. Horse! Baby horses go neigh! Can you neigh like a baby horse? Great job! Baby horses are called foals. They're amazing. They can run within a few hours of birth, which helps them keep up with the herd. Baby horses' legs are almost as long as they will be when they grow up, about 80% of their full length. They learn so fast. Isn't it amazing how fast they grow? A little wobbly, but that one's all ready to run. Baby horses love to play, run, and even practice little jumps, learning all the moves they'll need as a grown-up horse. Cow! Baby cows go moo. Can you moo like a cow? Great job! Baby cows are called calves. They can actually stand within a few hours of being born. Calves have a strong sense of smell, which helps them recognize their mom in a big herd. They love to drink milk and start growing quickly, getting ready to join the herd as they explore the fields and learn from other cows. Aw, look at these calves and their mom. Baby cows are so cute. Pig. Baby pigs go oink. Can you oink like a baby pig? Great job! Baby pigs are called piglets and they're super cute. Right from the start, piglets can recognize their mom's voice and love to stick close to her. Piglets are also so smart. They can learn their own names and come running when called. That must be great for chow time. Baby pigs love to eat, play, and nap, especially when they're all cozy in a group with their family. Oh. Goat. Baby goats go bah. Can you sound like a goat? Great job! Baby goats are called kids, and they love to climb. You might see a kid bouncing on a rock or tiny ledge. They have amazing balance. Baby goats are very playful and love to jump around with their friends. They're also curious and often explore everything around them by sniffing and even tasting things. Goats are born to be little adventurers. Look at those little guys tasting and sniffing. Too cute! Sheep! Baby sheep go baa. Can you baa like a baby sheep? Great job! Baby sheep are called lambs, and they're full of energy. Lambs like to jump and hop around. They can also recognize their mom's special call, which helps them stay close to her. Look how close they follow. Lambs' fluffy wool helps keep them warm as they play in the grass and fields with other lambs. So sweet. Look how close Mom is. She's making sure the baby sheep stays safe as he wanders and plays. Lambs are gentle, friendly, and curious, making them a joy to watch on the farm. Goose. A baby goose goes honk honk. Can you honk like a baby goose? Great job! A baby goose is called a gosling. They're adorable little explorers. Right from the start, goslings can walk and swim, which is important because they travel with their families. They're highly social and make soft peeping sounds to communicate. Baby geese have soft, fluffy down feathers that keep them warm. But as they grow, they develop stronger feathers for flying. They stay close to their parents, following them to learn how to find food and stay safe. When it gets colder and they get bigger, they're going to go with their family to a warmer place. What a nice, strong goose family unit. Duck! A baby duck goes quack, quack. Can you quack like a baby duck? Great job! Baby ducks are called ducklings and are born ready for adventure. Baby ducks have waterproof feathers that keep them warm as they paddle around in ponds and puddles. Right from hatching, ducklings can swim thanks to their webbed feet. Ducklings follow their mother everywhere, lining up in a neat row to stay safe. This way, they don't get lost and they learn how to find food. Ducklings grow fast and soon learn to paddle faster and flap their tiny wings. Watching a group of ducklings swim and explore together is always a treat. Chicken! Baby chickens go cluck cluck. Can you cluck like a baby chicken? Great job! Baby chickens are called chicks and they're born ready to explore. Even before they hatch, chicks can make tiny chirping sounds to communicate with each other and their mother. That's awesome! Once they're out of their shell, chicks are already able to walk and peck at food, which they learn from watching their mother. Chicks' soft feathers keep them warm as they wander and peck around. They grow quickly, and in a few weeks, they start growing adult feathers. Dog! A baby dog goes woof woof. Can you woof like a baby dog? Great job! A baby dog is called a puppy. Everyone loves puppies. These adorable baby dogs are born with their eyes and ears closed, which means they rely on their sense of smell to find their mother and brothers and sisters. Puppies grow up quick, and within 2 weeks, they can see and hear and they're ready to explore. Puppies need a lot of sleep, up to 20 hours a day, to give them the energy they need to grow, play, and learn. Puppies are very playful and love to interact with their family and people. As they grow, they learn important skills from their mom and siblings, like how to play, communicate, and follow rules. Shh, he's sleeping. Cat. Baby cats go meow, meow. Can you meow like a baby cat? Great job! Baby cats are called kittens and they're full of curiosity and playfulness. Kittens have sharp little claws and love to climb and practice pouncing. It's their way of learning how to be a good hunter for when they grow up. Kittens can have various fur colors and patterns. They love to snuggle with their mom and each other for warmth and safety. They play together and practice hunting skills, using gentle bites and pounces. A kitten's energy is endless, and as they grow, they learn how to use their claws and balance to climb, jump, and explore. Rabbit! A baby rabbit thumps its foot. Can you thump, thump, thump like a baby rabbit? Great job! A baby rabbit is called a kit or a bunny. They start off really tiny, but they grow quickly. Baby bunnies stay in cozy nests built by their mother, who uses her own fur to keep them warm and safe. They snuggle together with their siblings in a group. Baby bunnies love to be with other rabbits and can be very playful, darting around, doing little jumps called binkies to show they're happy. They learn a lot from watching grown-up rabbits, practicing their digging, jumping, and exploring skills. Baby rabbits are social and thrive when they have friends and family around. And even though they might get into the farmer's garden and eat a few carrots, they're so cute. Thank you so much for joining me on this baby farm animal adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.